Dropified is an advanced dropshipping platform designed to streamline your e-commerce business, enabling you to find and manage products with ease. Upon logging in, you'll notice an intuitive dashboard that gives you access to essential tools, such as supplier integration, product importing, and order automation. One of its standout features is the ability to import products from top suppliers, including AliExpress and eBay, directly into your store with a few clicks. Managing your inventory becomes effortless, as Dropified syncs updates from suppliers to ensure your store always reflects accurate stock levels. For Shopify and WooCommerce users, Dropified provides seamless integrations, helping you automate your business without additional hassle. A notable feature is the image editor, which allows you to enhance product images before uploading them to your store, saving time and reducing reliance on third-party tools. Another benefit is Dropified's one-click order fulfillment, which significantly reduces the time needed to process customer orders by automating the checkout process on supplier websites. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. If you're looking to scale your e-commerce store further, Dropified offers advanced analytics, helping you understand product performance and customer behavior. With a Zapier integration, you can connect Dropified to hundreds of other apps, automating repetitive tasks and improving workflow efficiency. Its premium plans unlock features like branded invoicing and custom packaging options, perfect for those looking to build a strong brand identity. Subscribe to this channel and smash that like button to stay updated on the best tools to grow your online store.